Rear seat comfort in the Silverado varies markedly across its cab configurations. The crew cab provides more space than the double cab, yet even its seats may not deliver the necessary comfort for extended journeys. In comparison to its rivals, the Silverado falls short in terms of ride quality and comfort, particularly in the second row. For instance, the Ram 1500 surpasses the Silverado in offering a more enjoyable driving experience for passengers. Although the Silverado is recognized for its toughness and reliability, these attributes may not sufficiently offset its comfort and ride quality issues. This factor could be crucial for buyers searching for a family-friendly pickup. The Silverado's handling has improved from older models, providing a tighter and more controlled driving experience. This enhancement is particularly evident during tight turns. Despite these advancements, the Silverado's ride quality still lags behind competitors like the Ram 1500, which boasts a smoother and more comfortable driving experience due to its advanced suspension system. The interior of the base models showcases a lack of modern design and premium materials, creating a stark contrast with the truck's bold exterior. This discrepancy may deter potential buyers seeking a more upscale cabin. However, the new infotainment screen represents a significant upgrade, improving navigation and app accessibility, especially in higher trims. This feature greatly enhances the overall driving experience. Despite the enhancements, Chevy continues to utilize outdated materials in lower trims, which may disappoint budget-conscious buyers wanting a modern aesthetic without the associated costs. Chevy's launch of the Silverado ZR2 highlights its dedication to off-road performance, competing with models like the Ford F-150 Raptor, thanks to its impressive off-road capabilities. Additionally, the Silverado ZR2 offers an optional turbo diesel engine that improves low-end torque, making it an excellent choice for towing and climbing tasks. This feature is particularly appealing to those who prioritize torque over horsepower. While the Silverado ZR2 excels in off-road performance, it does not quite match the exceptional power of rivals like the Tundra TRD Pro, which features a hybrid powertrain for superior torque. The Silverado comes equipped with advanced driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control and Super Cruise. However, there remains room for improvement in certain features to bolster overall safety. Common issues reported by Silverado owners include difficulties with the four-wheel drive system, particularly concerning the transfer case position sensor. Regular maintenance checks may help mitigate these issues. Transmission problems, commonly referred to as shift flares, have been reported by numerous Silverado drivers. These issues can arise even at low mileage, resulting in considerable repair costs if left unaddressed. Fuel economy is a critical concern for Silverado owners, especially in comparison to competitors. While diesel options show promise, the gas engines generally fall behind in efficiency.